What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to review three juicy setups that happen all in real time, trading off the Bollinger Bands, which is my favorite setup. If you're new here, this is the AlgoBox software. It's a multi-time frame, multi-confluence trading system. It has the best signals I've ever seen. I've never seen anything like this. None of it repaints, and it's all happening in real time. If you like what you see, you can try it out all for free, link in the description. Okay, so last night I did not sleep that well. It was just one of those nights. So I decided to only trade on Sim. And what's kind of cool about this community is we actually have a no list for trading that Vinny, the creator of AlgoBox, created for us. And I'm sure it comes from his own real life experiences when not to trade. So check out this list. No live trading today if, and list is, did you stay up all night? I did, but not on purpose. I just didn't sleep that well. Were you upset with anyone last night? Have you yelled at anyone yet today? Are you upset or frustrated about a family situation? Are you sick? Do you have more than two meetings today? You see, these are all real life experiences. I've definitely felt this in the past and have gotten burned just doing dumb things in the market because I just didn't have my mind right. I wasn't sharp or I was upset or tired. So today I decided to do that. I missed out on some awesome trades, unfortunately, and I just need to get some better rest going forward. So let's just jump into it. So here are the charts. This is a live recording of the day. So here we have a really nice long setup off the Bollinger Bands. And if you've seen my past videos, you know I like to wait for price to first get to the bands on a higher time frame and then look at lower time frames for more entries and more confirmation signals. So right here, we have price at the bands. It bounced and it turned green. And that's what I love to see. I like to see this confirmation with a green bar in my direction. And let's check out the lower time frames. Here we had a headshot. A headshot is this cross with this fib dot. And this fib dot is a lime green dot, which is a very strong setup and a very strong dot. We have it at large and king timing. You see these blue and purple lines right here. Large moves can generate off these timing lines. Right here on the right, these are the smaller time frames. Right here, we have the same dot, but a different version. This is an HMD. You see these boxes right here. This is a structure type signal. This is an HMD play with this lime green dot at a large timing. And then right here, we had multiple ready DDs within this PRZ. This is a super PRZ. That's what we call it here. So we had all this stacked up, and let's check it out. Let's see how it played out live. Let me just back right around here. Oh, let's do it right there. All right, let's watch this play out. So right here, I see things stacking up. I'm like, oh, nice. We have this cross. We have these super PRZs stacking up. We're at large and king timing. And a concept that I haven't gone over yet, but we call it stalking the trade. So I see all this happening. Stalking is basically waiting for the plays to develop. And I'm just sitting tight, waiting for all the confluence to build up. And let's see it play out. So I see all this playing out. The bands turn green. Let me just go back once more so you could see it. Band turns green here. Nice. I see it. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm looking at the charts just to make sure. And boom, I'm in the trade. With this trade, it's two contracts on the NQ. And let's see how it plays out. This is around a $400 trade. My target's between 38 and 40 ticks. So it's like around 400 bucks or just a little less. I'm not going to fast forward just so you could see how it gyrates. So you kind of just have to wait, let these things play out. And these trades are high probability setups, so I would take these trades every single time. Yeah, I think this is the toughest part about trading is actually waiting for these trades to play out and get emotional. I personally don't put how much is in there. I don't like to see it gyrating, but that's just me. For me, it's just like a video game. I just see lines and a target, and I just wait for target to get hit. So there you go. Let me just back up real quick. Target hit. See it hit. It's always a nice feeling. Boom, it hits. All right, let's go over to the next one. Okay, so let's fast forward so we could see what the actual setup is. So what I liked about this is we had another bounce off the Bollinger Bands. We had a crab pattern. We had two crab patterns on two different time frames. This is a structure type signal. We had a cross, we had a dot, and over on the smaller time frames, we had a shark, we had a headshot, we had a super AO. You see these crosses? This green cross is an AO. This white cross with this dot is a headshot. We had a lot of things right here. We had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things stacked up here. And then on the smaller time frame, we had even more. We had this shark, super AO with this cross with a DCDM. Just mega stack, mega stack. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I don't know, maybe 15 signals all stacked up. Mega confluence, mega stack. So let's just watch this play out. Let me go back a little bit so you can see it in real time. All right, let's just watch it play out. Bands haven't turned green, but I'm starting to see things build up. I see this cross. I'm like, cool. Ooh, I see a crab. I see another crab. All right, I see it all build up. I look over and I strike. Boom, I'm in. So now let's just wait. I don't want to fast forward just so you could actually see it live. Sometimes these things can finish in, I don't know, a couple seconds. Sometimes it could take a minute or two. Sometimes, 10 minutes. It all depends on the market. We're at the mercy of the market and how it moves. Or this trade could lose. Sometimes it loses. But it has a high win rate. Let's see. It's coming down. Are we going to lose? Oh my God. We might lose it. But I do like what's happening here. There's so much stacked up. We're at this large timing as well. A large move could happen from it. Oh, nice. Going in our favor. Let's see. Now, again, I normally don't like to see the number gyrating. I just got used to it, to be honest. It keeps me unemotional because I just don't even really care about the number. That's kind of the idea there. And there, nice little trade. So that's 2 bags, 2 wins. And let's go over to the next trade. That is fast forward to 37. Oh, this was a really nice trade. I missed it. I was on the phone, but let's check that out. Another Bollinger Band bounce. We had this pink AO, and this is a very strong signal right here. We had this red dot, this delta shift signal, these vertical text signals. And this kind of indicates that we might have a shift in the market. And then on this lower time frame, we had 3 of them. We had a shark pattern here with a dot, HMD play here. And let's go back around here, and we had more signals here. 2 delta shifts. We had 2 red EDDs with an enigma. So much stacked up here. We actually could look at this real quick as it plays out. Let's just watch how the signals build up. How about that? So we're at the bands. I see this. This is already really nice. So I'm going to start looking at the lower time frames. Already, I like this. I would already be in on this trade right here. But let's see things build up. Let me fast forward here actually for this, just because maybe it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I did not take this trade. I think I saw it late and I tried to get in. I think I was on, actually, yeah, I was on the phone. I saw it late. And you'll see me try to place a limit order to get filled because I missed it. Yeah, I see it. I'm like, oh man, I missed this. So it took me a minute to make sure everything was stacked up. And see it play out. So yeah, the thing about this software is once you get it and you start trying it out, obviously you could try this out for free. There's a free trial link in the description. But it takes some time to watch all this play out, watch the signals print. None of it repaints, which is amazing. It's a process to just get used to all these signals printing and seeing it all stack up. But, it's just time, you know. Got to put some time and effort into this. But once you understand what all these signals do, it's so powerful. So I could not get filled there, unfortunately. I saw it late. I was on the phone. You see, that's an issue about being distracted too. Sometimes you miss some trades, and that's just part of trading, unfortunately. I wish I could take every single setup and not miss it and not feel tired and all that. So, all right. So, missed that, but it was a really nice trade. You see that move. Now, let's get into the next trade. So let me just fast forward. Actually, let's just play it out. Let's see if it wins. Let me go back real quick. Excuse the raw takes of this video, but I just wanted to show kind of just raw live action here. So here we bounce off the Bollinger Bands. We got a nice triangle here, which is a divergence. We had a blue fib dot here. This is the strongest dot here. We had this HMD super fib dot here. And nothing here really that I like, but we had at least 3 charts stacked up, so I liked it. So let's see if this trade wins, and it wins. Boom. Let's go back real quick just so we could see that execution. All right, here we are. I see that. I like it. I see that. Boom. I execute as fast as I can. And now we let it play out. Let's just watch this again. Get used to seeing the signals print. Let's see if it wins. I know it wins, but it's nice to see it. It's nice to see it gyrate and get used to those gyrations. And boom. So that was what, 4 wins in a row. It's a beauty right there. So yeah, if you like what you see, you could definitely check out all this on the website, link in the description. This is some of the best stuff I've ever seen. And what I'm showing you here is my favorite setup. I'm trading off the Bollinger Bands, waiting for all this to stack up, and it doesn't get better than this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. If you guys want to see a complete step-by-step breakdown of the strategy, check out this video here.